Hi you guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to recreate the viral Nina Park makeup look. It's all about soft, natural looking skin, lots of blush, blurred lips, overall enhancing your natural features. So if you're someone who likes soft editorial makeup that enhances your features instead of hiding them, this video is for you. Let's start with the base. I'm starting off with a really hydrating prep and fix setting spray and spraying a generous amount of it. This will make sure my skin looks fresh and healthy. Before going in with a foundation, I'm going in with a little bit of color corrector to even out my skin tone. I do have some imperfections and uneven skin tone, so this will make sure to take care of it, and that way I won't have to pile on too much products later. And just in case you're wondering who Nina Park is, she's a celebrity makeup artist who's done makeup for a lot of K-pop idols and actresses, and she's known for keeping the skin super natural and seamless. I'm skipping a foundation for this makeup look and going in with a skin tint. I honestly feel like it's the perfect choice for this makeup look because I don't want anything too heavy. I still want it to look like my skin, and I felt like skin tint was the perfect choice for this makeup look. So for blush, I'm actually mixing a cream blush with a little bit of cream highlighter. I just want a really glowy skin-like flush and not just a flat color on the cheeks. I'm focusing this mainly on the apples of the cheeks right in the center and also slightly dragging it to the cheekbones. I just want it to look like a natural flush coming from within. And for this look, the blush can be a little extra, so we are not shying away with the blush. I'm taking a tiny bit of a lighter concealer just to add some dimension. Very minimal, just where I need a little bit of brightness. I still want everything to look very soft and natural. And then I'm just setting the areas where I usually crease. I'm not putting powder all over my face because I don't want to lose that glow that we just created. So just a light set where it's needed, and that's it. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm not doing anything crazy here. I'm just brushing out my brows to make them look fluffy and natural. Then I'm adding a warm brown shade all over the lids. It will just add a tiny bit of depth to my eyes, and then I am also tight lining my upper waterline so that my eyelashes look fuller. And I also did add the tiniest little wing at the end, nothing dramatic, just to elongate my eyes a bit. To soften the wing eyeliner, I also smudged it out using a black eyeshadow, then curled out my eyelashes, added loads and loads of mascara, and adding just a tiny bit of shimmer just on the center to add some dimension. Alright, finishing off with the lips, I'm starting with a cool toned brown lip liner and just slightly lining my lips with it. This kind of acts like a contour and gives a slight bit of structure, and then smudging it out. Then I'm adding the tiniest bit of warmer brown lip liner to bring back some warmth to my lips, and again blending it out so it looks soft and diffused. And to finish, I'm using a peachy lip oil. If you want, you can also use a gloss, but just make sure that it doesn't look too glossy. It should look like my lips but better, but with a little bit of sheen, if you know what I mean. And that's my take on the Nina Park makeup look. I absolutely love how it has turned out. It's soft, it's fresh, enhancing my features. Absolutely my vibe. Let me know if there are any other makeup looks you want me to try next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.